Trying to find a video you recently watched but having trouble searching for it? We're here to help. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to view your TikTok watch history. Now let's get started. To view your watch history on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Activity Center, then select Watch History. Here, you can see videos you've recently watched. If you want to find a video you watched on a specific date, tap Filter by Date at the top. Then choose to view your watch history for all dates, yesterday, last week, last month. Or select Date Range to specify a specific date you want to see history from. Scroll down to see all the videos you viewed in the date range you selected and tap a video to watch it again. That's all it takes to view your watch history on TikTok. If you're looking to clear your watch history, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.